Hi friends, in this video we study about differentiation. So you have already studied in first PUC, that is what is a derivative and a derivative of some basic functions and examples solved on rules of differentiation. So here some of the formulas are given here. So if suppose that is the derivative of constant is 0, then derivative of x raised to n is n into x raised to n minus 1. Derivative of root x comes, that is 1 by 2 root x. Then derivative of 1 by x is minus 1 by x square, and derivative of 1 by x raised to n is minus n by x raised to n plus 1. Derivative of sin x is cos x. Derivative of cos x is minus sin x comes. Derivative of tan x is x square x. Derivative of cot x is equal to minus cos x square x. Derivative of sec x is sec x into tan x, and derivative of cosec x equal to minus cosec x into cot x. So these are the derivative of some trigonometric functions and algebraic functions. Now next here we study, and you know the rules of differentiation. Here we study what is first of all the definition is what is the differentiation or derivative. If suppose y equal to f of x given function, then differentiating y with respect to x, we denote it as dy by dx or f dash of x or y dash or y1 or capital Dy and so on. And this process of finding the derivative of a function is called a differentiation. So differentiation means remember, if y equal to fx, then y dash or f dash of x is nothing but a derivative. So the rules of differentiation. The first rule is, that is d by dx of k into u, where u is a function of x and k is a constant. We write it as k into du by dx. There is a constant term kept it outside and differentiating the given function. And second one is derivative of, that is u plus or minus v equal to du by dx plus or minus dv by dx. And the third rule is, that is derivative of, that is d by dx of uv, that this is called the product rule. That is how we write it is u into dv by dx, means first function as it is, derivative of second function plus v into du by dx, that is second function as it is, derivative of first function. So derivative of uv is u into dv by dx plus v into du by dx, or you can remember this one as first function into second function, derivative of first function as it is, derivative of second function plus second function as it is, derivative of first function. Similarly, d by dx of u by v, this is called as the quotient rule, and this is nothing but it is denominator as it is, it means v into du by dx minus u into dv by dx upon v square, where here u and v are the functions of x, or we can also remember it as numerator by denominator. So denominator first keep as it is, derivative of numerator minus numerator as it is, derivative of denominator upon denominator square. So these are the some basic or the rules of differentiation. Now here we study derivative of composite functions, or it is also called as the chain rule. So the formula is, if y equal to f of g of x, then dy by dx is f dash of g of x into g dash of x, means derivative of a function of a function. For example, if suppose given, if y given here y equal to sin x square, then find dy by dx. We know that derivative of sin x is cos x comes, but here function is given, it is sin x square, it is not x square is given, means it is a function of a function. If we consider that is x square equal to u, that gives sin u, means y equal to sin u comes. Here if suppose x square equal to u, we consider for x equal y equal to sin u comes. So here y is a function of u and what we have considered u equal to x square we have considered. So therefore y is a function of u is a function of x, therefore y is a composite function of x comes. So derivative should be, that is dy by dx equal to derivative of sin u is cos u into du by dx comes. Now we can directly differentiate this one. Always remember, in place of sin x it is x, it is x square is given. So therefore y equal to, given is y equal to sin x square. So differentiating with respect to x, we have dy by dx equal to d by dx of sin x square. So first you consider this as sin x. What is the derivative of sin x? That is cos x, means we read keep as it is cos x square. It is here not, it is x now, this is x square is given, therefore one second derivative, it is d by dx of x square. So derivative of x square is 2x. So therefore dy by dx comes 2x into cos x square. This is the derivative of sin x square. Remember, this is, if function of a function is given, first we have to differentiate, that is to give functions maybe 2 or 3 or something, we have to differentiate accordingly. Or here let us consider by explain that is, if you suppose u equal to x square, therefore y equal to sin u. Here y is a function of u is a function of x. This implies that y is a composite function of x. So therefore dy by dx, what it comes, dy by du into du by dx. So dy by du is cos u into du by dx, derivative of x square is 2x, because x raised to n formula we apply here. That comes 2x into cos u equal to x square, 2x into cos x square. Now next example is, find the derivative of tan of 2x plus 3. Solution, let y equal to tan of 2x plus 3. So differentiating with respect to x, we have dy by dx equal to d by dx of tan of 2x plus 3. We know that what is the derivative of tan x? It is secant square x. So by that we consider this is whole term as x. So therefore derivative of tan of 2x plus 3 is secant square 2x plus 3. Again this is derivative of 2x plus 3, because this is a function of a function. So derivative of 2x plus 3 is, derivative of 2 is 2x, that comes 2, and plus 3 is, derivative of 3 is 0. Why? Because 3 is a constant. So therefore 2 plus 0 comes. So therefore dy by dx is nothing but 2 into this term is 2 secant square 2x plus 3. Hence the solution. So in general, remember, if y equal to tan of ax plus b, then dy by dx is a into secant square ax plus b. Remember, this is the one more standard formula now. That is y equal to tan of x plus b. Then we differentiate this tan, derivative of tan comes secant square, and this coefficient of x we multiply here. That is a we write here. Similar, the next example is, that is differentiate y equal to sine of x square plus 5. So what is given? Y equal to sine of x square plus 5. Then differentiating this with respect to x. So therefore dy by dx. Dy by dx, what is come? That is d by dx of sine of x square plus 5. So first we differentiate, consider this is as a x. So derivative of sine x is, that is cos x comes. A cos of x square plus 5 into derivative of x square plus 5. That is cos x square plus 5 as it is. Derivative of x square is 2x and derivative of 5 is 0. That is 2x plus 0. So therefore derivative of sine of x square plus 5 is 2x into cos x square plus 5. Hence the solution. Next example is, that is y equal to cos of sin x, then find dy by dx. So here given is y equal to cos of sin x. So differentiating with respect to x, we have dy by dx equal to d by dx of cos of sin x. What is the derivative of? We consider this as a x. Don't consider this as sin x now. What is derivative of cos x? Sin x comes. So minus sin x. Therefore we write it as minus sin of, what is x? Sin x. Now this is sin x again function. So therefore d by dx of sin x we write. So minus sin of sin x, derivative of sin x is cos x. So the solution is dy by dx equal to, that is it comes minus cos x into sin of sin x. We can write one more step here, sin of sin x. So dy by dx is minus cos x sine of sine x. The next example is if y equal to cos root inverse x, cos root x, then find dy by dx. What become dy by dx? Here differentiating given function with respect to x, we have dy by dx equal to d by dx of cos root x. What is the derivative of cos x? Come, that is minus sine root x, we write. Again a derivative of root x. Derivative of root x is 1 by 2 root x. So therefore the solution is minus 1 by 2 root x sine root x. Next example, if y is equal to root of cos x square, here this is function of a function of a function comes. First we differentiate this, is consider this cos root x as x, and we know derivative of root x. We know that differentiating with respect to x, we have dy by dx equal to derivative of root of cos x square. What is the derivative of cos x? Derivative of root x is 1 by 2 root x, we know that. So therefore 1 by 2 root cos x square, this is x. Again derivative of cos x square. So we have already, that is defined, that is find the derivative of sin x square. Similar term comes 1 by 2 root cos x square. What is the derivative of cos x square is? Derivative of cos x, consider minus sin x square comes. Again this is x square into derivative of x square. Derivative of x square is 2x comes. That is minus sin x square by 2 root cos x square. Derivative of x square is 2x. 2 to get cancel, that is equal to minus x sin x square by root cos x square. Hence the solution. Means a function means differentiating a function of a function. So y equal to sine of x plus b, this is the given function. Then find dy by dx. What dy by dx comes? That is dy by dx equal to derivative of sine of x plus b. What is the derivative of sine x? We know that it is cos x. So we write this is cos of ax plus b by using that formula. Now this is not x, ax plus b is given. So I can differentiate. Therefore d by dx of ax plus b is equal to cos of x plus b. Derivative of x plus b is ax is a, because derivative of x is 1 comes, means coefficient right a, plus derivative of b is 0 because that is a constant one. So a into cos of x plus b. So if y equal to sine of x plus b, dy by dx equal to a into cos of x plus b. Remember this is again one more standard formula. Most of times we use. So one example, sine of 5x plus b, what it comes? In place of a, that is 5, that is 5 of cos 5x plus 3, and similarly so on comes. So next example is if y equal to sec of tan root x, then find dy by dx. So differentiating with respect to x given function, we have dy by dx equal to derivative of sec tan root x. So what is the derivative of sec x? We know that derivative of sec x is sec x into tan x. So we write that is sec of x means tan root x into tan root x, because we write using the by standard formula, we write this is sec x into tan x, that form comes, into again is a function of function, derivative of tan root x, that is d by dx of tan root x. We know that derivative of tan x is secant square x. So we write here sec of tan root x into tan of tan root x into secant square root x, because this is not x, here root x is given. So root x is given means once again we differentiate, that is d by dx of root x. So derivative of root x is, that is 1 by 2 root x. So sec of tan root x, tan of tan root x into secant square root x into derivative of root x is 1 by 2 root x. So hence dy by dx it comes, that is 1 by 2 root x, denominator comes secant root x, tan root x, secant square root x upon 2 root x we can write. Next y equal to sin square x, y equal to sin square x, then dy by dx equal to find, that is differentiating with respect to x, we have d by dx of sin x square. We consider this is not sin x square is given, so consider this is x, consider if you consider this is x, so we know that is the derivative of x square. What it comes? Derivative of x raised to n formula of derivative of x square equal to, we write it as 2x, we write, yes. So we consider x equal to sin x, so therefore derivative of sin x square is 2 sin x comes using this formula, into derivative of x is not here sin x, into derivative of sin x, because this is a function of function, and derivative of sin x is cos x. So therefore 2 sin x into cos x is nothing but sin 2x, hence the solution. Similarly, if y equal to cos cube x, then dy by dx is dy by dx equal to d by dx of cos x cube. Again apply x raised to n formula. So x raised to n is n into x raised to n minus 1. In that form, we write this as 3 cos square x. Derivative of cos cube x is 3 cos square x. Now derivative of cos x. Derivative of cos x is minus sin x. So the solution is dy by dx is minus 3 sin x cos square x. Hence the solution. Next example, if y equal to sin of cos x square, then dy by dx find out. Dy by dx equal to, that is d by dx of sin cos x square. Now derivative of first, this is with respect to x sin, that is derivative of cos sin x means cos x square, cos of cos x square comes. Again derivative of cos x square. Derivative of cos x square is, that is cos of cos x square. Derivative of cos x square is minus sin x square into derivative of x square. Why? Because it is not x. So therefore that is comes minus cos of cos x square into sin x square into derivative of x square is 2x. So the solution is, that is here this is equal to, that is equal to minus 2 sin x 2x sin x square cos of cos x square is the solution. So okay, here end of this derivative of a composite function. You have to solve some, take some examples, similarly find out the derivative of cos x square or sin x cube, sin x raised to 4, then sin ax into cos ax. Some of the examples you can try, and here end of this concept. So next class, next video we study about derivative of implicit functions. So what is implicit function? We have to continue in next video here. Thank you.